Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Kryptonic, and before you guys say anything, no, this video isn't sponsored by T-Mobile, or no, I don't work for T-Mobile. I just happen to have a really cool shirt that has a T-Mobile logo on it. But anyways, guys, today we're going to be talking about a Bluetooth pair of headphones by Creative and also a normal 3.5mm jack pair of headphones. So we're going to be talking about two Creative headphones overall. So if you guys don't have enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like on it. But anyways, guys, let's get straight into the video. And now, before we start talking about these two, I realized they're not headphones, they're earbuds. It should be something that everyone knows, and these are earbuds. And this one, as you guys can see, is empty because I've been using these a lot more than I have been using these, because these are more of a workout Bluetooth, take it wherever you go. But as you guys can see, I'm obviously not fit in any possible way, so I've only used them like 4 or 5 times for really long sessions to get a good feel out of the headphones. So yeah, overall they're both really good. So we're going to start it off first with the non-Bluetooth pair, the Arvana In-Ear 2 Plus, and these are just really good headphones. I've had these for about a month now, less than a month, like 3 weeks maybe. I don't want to exaggerate about how long I've had these, but overall I've been using them on the daily on my way to school from the bus. It's about a half-hour drive, so I just listen to music, and I can say for sure that you can blast music on these headphones and no one can hear you. I was blasting music every single day and no one would be able to hear me, because you guys know about, you know, leakage of sound on the normal headphones for Apple. Those are just bad. Those headphones, like, you put it halfway and it sounds like everybody can hear it. Like, it's crazy how much leakage there is, yet everyone uses the headphones provided by Apple, which I think is crazy. Now, the Arvana earbuds are actually very cool looking because they're very small, but they're also very slick in the way they like kind of fit into your ear, and overall they just fit really cozy. And in case you guys have big ears or small ears, depending on how it is, no judge here, you guys can customize it and make it fit however you want into your own ears, and they are very comfortable for long durations of time. Now, like any pair of earbuds, the cable of course gets tangled very quickly and it's just a big pain, so that's why at least a Bluetooth pair doesn't get tangled as much. Now, it also has inline controls for volume up, down, and of course ending calls or pausing, everything like that. And I just find like that's a basic thing that every pair of earbuds should have, and of course it does. And for the price that these headphones are going for, I think they're very well priced. And of course these headphones are very comfortable, meaning that if you guys are going on a trip or something like that, I would highly recommend these, because they're not going to die on you in case you guys are using Bluetooth ones, and these are just going to obviously last you a little bit longer and they're going to feel way better in the long run. Now, switching it over to the Outlier One, these headphones are a completely different story. Not in a bad way, don't get me wrong, these are just different, because the other ones, you plug them into your phone and you're good to go, that's it. These, you obviously need to charge them. Battery life on it is not bad. It also has an inline control for volume up, down, and of course ending calls and pausing. Now, that I find to be very key if you guys are trying to have a pleasant experience, if you guys are going running, if you guys are just going for a walk and you guys don't want a cable dangling down from your phone to your shirt wherever it goes, I don't know. And overall it's kind of a different experience, but at the same time you can relate when using both. Now, obviously, since this is more for like sports, these can get a little bit wet with sweat and stuff like that, and they're not going to be damaged compared to the other ones. I mean, the other ones could probably, the Arvana could probably survive a little bit more, but I wouldn't recommend you sweating all over them. And these have a hour capacity of 9.5 hours, which I find to be very good in case you guys are going for a long run. My runs are usually about 2 hours and 40 minutes, so I mean that's way better than what the AirPods could provide, which is only a few hours. And now, another cool thing about this pair of Bluetooth headphones is that they're only 15 grams, and I know for some people that might be a lot, but for me that's the right amount of weight, and it doesn't feel like anything. It just feels like they're just things in your ear, but you don't feel the cable, nothing like that. And it feels like overall just really good when you're running, walking, because you don't feel like there's anything there, yet you're getting the most crisp audio when you're out for a run. Now, I really love Creative, because Creative, as you guys know, come from a speaker company. They originally started like making speakers, and then they switched up their game and started making more accessories for audio, and I feel like they're going in the right direction every step that they're making, because the earbuds sound good and they provide you with a lot of options in case you guys have bigger ears, smaller ears, depending on however you're going to use the headphones. They provide you with a lot of options like different ear tips, different ways to manage your cables, and it just makes it very pleasant. And I feel like Creative is one of those companies that they already have a high reputation in the audio game, so them just making more things is great for us as the consumers instead of just for them trying to get publicity, because what do they need more publicity for? They're already really well known in the audio game. Anyways guys, that has been my look at the Aurvana earbuds and the Outlier One Bluetooth headphones, and overall I think they're both pretty great. Obviously I think you guys should do your own research a little bit more depending on what you think of it, and from my experience at least, I think they're both really good and they both have their own situations. If you guys are going on a long trip, I would definitely recommend the 3.5mm connector, just because you're not going to have to charge them and they're going to be a little bit more comfortable in your ears after long hours of usage. But if you guys are into going out, running and stuff like that, being outdoors, then I would definitely recommend the Outlier ones, because these are just more easy to carry around and they don't really feel like you're using anything when you're using them. They just kind of feel like nothing, and it feels great just to run with them. But overall, that's just my experience with these headphones. Make sure to look it up if you guys are really interested in a new pair of earbuds. But anyways guys, this has been me, Kryptonic, and I will see you guys around and I'm out. Peace guys.